Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Simone. I am a Dallas Fort-Worth real estate agent and I am currently in Arlington, Texas. I'm getting ready to give you guys a home tour of this house that I'm at. I'm hosting an open house from 2 to 4 today. So this is gonna be a full 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. And the best part about this house is it has a really cool guest house in the back, which I'm gonna take you guys out to. So as always, we're gonna work our way out and then I'll bring you guys on in. Okay guys, so as soon as you walk through the front door, you do have a very open floor plan. So as soon as you come in, you have this really cool living room area. Everything is brand new. Have this really, really large kitchen. I love the transitioning in the floors. My open house sign. And then check out this little area over here. How cool is that? That way you can put your air fryers and things in there. Here's that 2-car garage. Nice and spacious. We have a gas range right there. Big sink. Nice, nice, nice. Water's working. There's that guest house. We're gonna go back there in just a moment. And then here, headed back towards this direction, we do have a full-size laundry room. So that is really nice. You even have enough space to put your laundry soap and things up there. So that way you don't even have to build much of a pantry. Okay, so then I'm gonna take you guys to the bedrooms. This will be a really cool dining area, or you can use it as a living area as well. But you do have a full-size bedroom with a full bath over here. So the cool thing about this house is you could either rent out the main house or you can rent out that guest house back there because they both have such good space to where if you're just 1 or even 2 people, you would still be comfortable living there. And then let me take you guys to the other 2 bedrooms. So the main house has 3 bedrooms. The guest house has 1 bedroom. So here's another bedroom right here. And then we have another bedroom right here. As well as this bedroom right here having a full bathroom. Let's see, look at that. Another full bathroom. Okay, let's take you guys over here. Another full bathroom. Me. Look at that. Everything is brand new. Now this house is listed for $399,000. Square footage is going to be a little over 2,800, and it's only been on the market for a day, and it was built in 1964. So take into account it is an older home, but it brings really cute character. So yeah, that's the main house. Like I said, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms over here, full-size kitchen, laundry room, extra bedrooms. I mean, it's pretty big. So now I'm gonna take you guys to the guest house. Let's go. All right, guys, so as we head to the guest house, I've already turned on the lights and everything for us, so we don't have that to worry about. All right, let's go in here. Check this out. Look at that. A whole nother house just in the guest suite in the back. I mean, this is amazing. So you guys see what I mean when I say you can rent out the full house or you can rent out the guest suite. Look at this. Half bathroom downstairs. I mean, this is like a full 1-bedroom apartment. Let me take you guys upstairs. Oh, baby. All right, out of breath. Okay, so look at that. Here is your bedroom up here, and you also still have a full bathroom upstairs. So you got that half bathroom downstairs, and you have the full bathroom up here. And check this out, y'all. Full-size washer and dryer. So you literally can live here. You can live upstairs, rent out your whole house, or vice versa. Rent this out And you can even rent out some rooms in case you don't even need to use them. But how cool is this? This is like the coolest thing I think I've seen. So like I said, you can get both of these houses for $399,000. Look at that. Super cute. Super, super cute. I love it. If I could buy it, I would. It's really nice. Okay, guys, let me head back to the main house, just in case I might have someone coming. Okay, guys, we are back in the main house. Make sure you comment below, how do you like this house? Would you pay $399,000 for it? Which part would you rent out? Would you rent out the guest suite out back, or would you rent out the main house, you know, here? Which one do you think you would do? Comment below, let me know. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and there will be more videos coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.